Look no further than the 2023 Nissan Leaf. Make a commitment to a greener world and enjoy all-electric efficiency in this aerodynamic Leaf. Love it for its smooth power, easy charging, nimble handling, and comfortable cabin, while you benefit from the perks of its generous cargo space and hatchback convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, keyless start, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, satellite radio. Don't miss the chance to take advantage of all-electric efficiency in this tech-forward Leaf. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.